Does it frustrate you that your product never seems to generate the volume of sales and income you really want?
If so, then I know exactly what you're going through because I've been there.
There is nothing worse than watching the pros doing their product launches and making thousands or even millions of naira while you are stuck where you've always been, working your fingers to the bone but never seen any result for all your hard work.
There is nothing more disappointing than having spent months, even years, creating and refining a product you believe would truly help people, or doing your best as an affiliate to succeed, only to then put it up online for sale and have it gather digital dust when no one buys it. And to make matters worse, as your bills start piling up, your wife is always asking you when your internet business is going to pay off. You can see the doubt in her eyes, and you can tell from the tone of her voice that her patience is wearing thin.
You feel like you failed, and the seeds of doubt begin to grow in your mind as you question the value of your products and whether the whole effort, time, and resources you've already put in is an absolute waste of your time. After several failed attempts, you end up feeling confused, lied to, and you feel like a failure because it is so much harder to make money online than what you have been told. You see, the big problem with generating traffic and sales for most businesses is that most people drive traffic straight to sales pages. When their traffic method stops, or if Facebook bans their accounts, their income is totally cut off.
With the current indiscriminate banning of Facebook ads accounts, it's almost becoming impossible to run a profitable online business.
The fact is, most people who use this method of traffic generation are unable to build a sustainable long-term online business.
And that is why you need to change your approach to something more effective while marketing online.
I am delighted to share with you my 4-week email marketing coaching course that is capable of boosting your online sales by up to 1000% almost overnight. I know that may sound unbelievable, but in a moment, you will see how it all works. So just keep watching.
My name is Joe Okoro, and for the last 12 years, I've helped thousands of guys and girls just like you break free from the 9-to-5 grind of their day job and build a successful online business starting from scratch.
And what I have proven over and over in my own business is that the easiest and most reliable way to build a sustainable and reliable online business is through email marketing and building an email list. It's literally the difference between an average result and a life-changing quit your job kind of result.
And when you apply it in your own business, your sales and profit can double almost instantly. With the 4-week email marketing coaching course implemented in your own business, you will be able to visualize and enforce deadlines around your offers with just a few clicks of your mouse, and dial up the urgency in your customers' mind that pounds their emotional hot buttons and compels them to buy at will.
Now, what makes this email marketing coaching program different from other programs out there is that this isn't just a collection of ideas or principles. Instead, it's a simple step-by-step formula that I have personally used and tested in the field of email marketing. And they work. All you need to do is follow along with the recorded email marketing coaching. Take notes, apply the formula, and you will get results.
Here is just a small sample of what's covered in the recorded 4-week advanced email marketing coaching. Week 1, sales funnel and why important.
Week 2, effective email list building.
Week 3, email marketing that works. Week 4, getting traffic with advanced Facebook advertising. The details of each week of contents can be downloaded in the PDF reports below this video.
But don't listen to me. Here's what students of the 4-week email marketing coaching course are saying about the program.
Olu said, I have known Joe for over 7 years now, and we have become very close friends.
My relationship with Joe has made me many millions of naira. No kidding. One strategy I got from his email marketing coaching course once made me 1.04 million naira in just 2 weeks.
Joe is
Badass, and I call him the king of traffic and email marketing. This course from Joe is a killer. Whatever you do, don't pass it over.
Get yourself a copy, you won't regret it. Ifeanyi Ugu wrote, with Joe Okoro's intensive coaching,
I was able to take my struggling consulting and coaching business from a low 6-figure income, about 100K, to an 8 figures income.
A couple of months after Joe's coaching, I did 11 million naira in gross revenue in a single month. I created a training that closed 300K in less than 2 weeks using Joe's marketing principles and strategies. But the greatest benefit of his coaching for me is the ability to control my income.
I know what to do anytime I need money. Shehu Johnson said, following Joe Okoro's coaching, systems, and models, I emerged as one of the top affiliates in the company I market with, earning commissions in 7 figures. I have built over 150,000 newsletter readers using Joe's email marketing coaching as a guide, and this email list continues to be an asset to my online business. This email list has done over 60 million in total revenues and still counting. I recommend his courses for anyone who desires a total revamp for his online business.
If you have tried similar products in the past, then you're probably curious about how much the 4-week email marketing coaching course is going to be. And that's a fair question, given that in the past, the only way to get access to this information was to attend one of my elite coaching programs that cost between 50,000 and above, or to hire me as a virtual personal coach, which can cost you up to 180,000 for a month.
However, the reason I created the 4-week email marketing coaching course is to make this life-changing information available to everyone who wants to break free from their current circumstances of using only direct advertising to make sales. Because nothing gets you better results online than building relationships via email and monetizing it for huge profit later down the line. For a strictly limited time and only from this video, you can get full access to the 4-week email marketing coaching course for a single one-time payment of just 20,000 naira. So if you want to start raking in sales and receive a constant flow of income from your products online, just click the Proceed to Other button below this video. In fact, I'm so confident that the 4-week email marketing coaching course will work for you, that if you don't get at least 100 leads within the first month of using it, just send me an email and I will refund you the full purchase price. No questions, no hassle. Look, you have struggled to make the sales and income that could make a real tangible difference in your life for long enough. Unfortunately, for most people who drive direct traffic and who suffer from constant ads account ban, it's almost impossible to make money online. If you're truly serious about starting an online business and generating a real income for you and your family, you need to take action and get in the game. In just a few minutes from now, you could have access to the program that helps you to start earning twice or thrice the income from your online business than you are doing right now. Just imagine waking up in the morning, opening your email inbox, and finding dozens of sales notifications from your customers. You then flick over to your online banking and see the cold hard cash piling up in your account faster than you've ever seen before. You laugh out loud as you realize that you now make more money while you sleep than you did slaving away at your 9-to-5 day job. At last, you've built a real, profitable online business and won the respect of those who doubted you. Find below this video the PDF reports on the case study I did that generated over 20 million naira with only 7,500 plus readers using the email marketing strategy in the coaching you are about getting your hands on. I promise you will enjoy reading it. So grab your copy of the recorded 4-week email marketing coaching course now and let's get you started